Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. In this video, I'm talking about AMP coin price update, and in this video we are also going to do a technical analysis. We are trying to detect the next move of AMP coin, that what will be the next move, as in the future AMP coin will give you profit or loss. Is it a safe investment in the future or not? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe my channel, so I request everybody to please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel right now for more update and news videos guys. The right now price of AMP coin in the market is about 0.050634 USD dollar. That is right now price of AMP coin. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of IMP coin, so now the last 1 hour update is positive 0.58%. The last 1 day change is about negative 5.54%. You know what, due to these negative changes, now yesterday a lot of people messaged me about AMP coin, that what should we do in a right now situation. So I recommend for all of you guys that AMP coin is a low price coin, and I also recommending in my all videos that guys, low price coin, if you're holding low price coin, so I recommend that hold for a long time guys. If you hold for a long time, so you will get a huge profit guys, otherwise you will get nothing guys. So just hold for a long time guys. AMP coin is a safe investment, and I believe, and guys, possibility that to the whole October month AMP will continue positive pumping. So just hold for a long time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.